our channel release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. A few months lower back, Netflix releases the listing of their upcoming unique films and collection, and now Netflix is freeing the collection and films one through one. First Ajeeb Dastans, and now this film titled Milestone is coming to Netflix in May 2021. Here with Inside the Post, we are going to speak approximately about the discharge date, cast, trailer and few extra factors from the unique movie Milestone, which is approaching on Netflix this May. Milestone is a Hindi drama movie which is coming in the platform as an instantaneous OTT launch. The film stars a few proficient and wonderful actors like Survinder Vicky, Lakshveer Saran and Mohinder Gujral. The film additionally stars Gurjinder Makna, Daljit Singh and Akhilesh Kumar. It's directed through Ivan Iyer and written through Neil Manikant and Ivan himself. The film is prepared to launch on Netflix from May 7, 2021 in Hindi audio at the side of English subtitles for the Netflix subscribed users. The film is approximately 90 minutes long and there are no professional records approximately the dub model of the movie in Telugu or Tamil languages. The professional trailer of the movie changed into launched some days lower back through Netflix, and the film appears clean and distinctive from the trailer. The trailer is intense and critical film enthusiasts are expecting. In case you have not checked the trailer yet, have a look at the observe of the professional trailer. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. Sony director Ivan Iyer's subsequent directorial Milestone is about the highest quality on Netflix on 7th, 2021 of May. The strains of the adventure of Ghalib, a pro-truck driver and navigator cutthroat capitalist society. The trailer outlines he ought to concurrently address the latest loss and risk of dropping his activity at the same time as educating younger recruit. This complete adventure is juxtaposed with the fulfillment of Ghalib's truck touching a 5 lakhs kilometers mark. Talking approximately his notion at the back of the story, director Iyer stated in a statement, "I selected a truck driver's angle to focus on this warfare due to the fact I see something atypical with inside the nature of this occupation. An inherent contradiction, mobile, however, caught in the confines in this truck, which rather mirrors contemporary day lifestyles in general. We are all prisoners of our perspectives, turning into more and more indifferent from the arena around us." Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our videos then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.